Floods overseas leading to devastation in Libya. Thousands are dead, with thousands still missing. Our chief foreign correspondent Ian Pannell is tracking the latest. Good morning, Ian.
Yeah, good morning, Michael. The UN's calling this a calamity of epic proportions as rescue workers only start to get to grips with what happened in Derna. One local Red Crescent official describing a wall of water more than 20 feet high. This morning, the devastation after the storm. More than 2,000 confirmed dead, with as many as 10,000 missing. The storm waters breaching 2 dams, unleashing catastrophic flooding. The waters surging through the Libyan city of Derna. Satellite images show what it was like days earlier. Now, a quarter of Derna has been simply wiped off the map. Emergency workers have recovered more than 2,000 bodies so far, but officials fear the death toll will be far greater, with as many as 10,000 still missing and more than 40,000 displaced. Starting Sunday night, Mediterranean storm Daniel hit the coastal city with more than 15 inches of rain in 24 hours. Residents reported hearing sounds like explosions as the dams gave way under the weight of the storm water. There used to be a dam, this man says. Now it's just soil. Red Crescent emergency teams moved through the deluged roads, helping others and trying to open blocked storm drains. The floods leaving scenes of utter devastation in its wake that speak to the power of the waters that swept through here and out to sea. Rescue teams having to use boats to search for survivors. The destruction is everywhere. This resident showing the high water marks and the damage left as the waters recede. The United States now, among other nations, sending much-needed aid, but the response is hindered by a country divided between competing governments, ongoing conflict and a crumbling infrastructure. But I think we're just starting to see the scale of the need there. Lindsay?
Yes, such a great need for...
Authorities in eastern Libya say thousands of people are dead after a massive flood tore through the city of Derna, with thousands more feared missing. Storm Daniel swept in over the Mediterranean on Sunday after pummeling Greece last week. One official said dams above Derna collapsed, sweeping away whole neighborhoods. The disaster took place in a part of the country that the internationally recognized government in Tripoli does not control. Still, the council in Tripoli, which serves as head of state in the divided country, has called for international help. Turkey, for one, said it's sending 3 planes to transport rescuers and humanitarian aid. Earlier on Monday, the head of the Red Crescent aid group in the region said the death toll was expected to hit 250. Reuters could not immediately verify either estimate. Authorities from the interim government in Tripoli and in the east have both declared 3 days of mourning.
رئيس الوزراء رئيس الحكومة المكلفة من البرلمان دكتور أسامة حماد، ومن درنا أحياء كاملة اختفت بسكانها. دكتور أسامة،
اختفت بسكانها.